Yo, what's up, guys? Teacher Paul here, and today we are reacting to another World Cup song that has just dropped. This is coming straight from Bangladesh, and we have Nora Fatehi, who is Canadian, based in India. We have also Vegedream, who is French, and also DJ Sanjoy, who is Bangladeshi. So let's check out this video. Thank you guys for clicking on my video. And let's see. Another World Cup song. Let's see if this is the best so far. Wow. Good visuals so far. Oh, come on. Sponsor. Let's go. You better support Brazil, guys. Hey. Oh! Is this the new best World Cup song? Guys, I told you. This is the World Cup of music. One on the top. Brazil. Let's go. It's gotta be Brazil. Let's go. Dude. Bangladeshi DJ. Oh, this is nice, man. La Copa del Mundo. I'm telling you, this is the World Cup of music. There hasn't been so many songs ever. Nora Fatehi representing India and Canada. Vegedream representing France. And DJ Sanjoy representing Bangladesh. Hey. Dude, this is so cool. So many World Cup songs. Which one's the best? Let's go. Brazil, 6-time champion. Let's go. La Copa del Mundo. La Copa del Mundo. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Def Jam Records. You know what? This is the World Cup of music. We got Brazil winning another star. I'm telling you, man, this is the World Cup. This has to be another one for us, man. We're looking good. We're looking sharp. And listen, this was pretty cool. This was pretty cool. DJ Sanjoy, Vegedream, and Nora Fatehi. Nice. Pretty awesome. And also with Bangladesh over here being represented, that's pretty awesome as well. Guys, I like this song. Is it an anthem? I don't know. It's a great song, but is it an anthem? We need only one at the top, as she said. Is it Still Speed? Is it Shakira? Is it Nora Fatehi? I don't know, but I know that I'm enjoying every step of this. The album looks amazing. Everybody is pitching in. Everybody's making a song. And I can't wait to see the World Cup while listening to these songs. That was pretty awesome, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Let me know what you thought of this song. Let me know who you are supporting. I have Brazil. I have Norway. I have Sweden. I have a collection, dude. Oh man. And I also have Oranje, the Netherlands, Holland, hoop hoop. But I'm not done yet with the collection. Let me know who you are supporting, guys. Who do you think is going to win? Take care. Bye bye.